Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I got some good news. Bing.com, the new Bing.com or the new Bing chatbot just got better. And yes, that's a sentence I never thought I'd say. But Bing got better. And how much better? Well, here it is. It now has integrated in AI image and AI art generation. In particular, it's got Dall-E 2, and it actually might have the latest models that were getting close to the release of Dall-E 3. So this could even be Dall-E 3 in testing. It's hard to say. They don't say exactly. Here it is, though. If you go to bing.com, like I will open up, like you'll notice here that I'm in Safari first off. So if I go to Edge, and I go to bing.com, at the moment, you can't really access this unless you go directly to the URL. So if you go to bing.com and then /create, that is how you access the image creator. And again, it is awesome. It is also completely free. So I want you to keep that in mind. It's free, it's unlimited, and you'll see here that you even get 9 boosts or 10 boosts every day. So basically, you get a bunch of fast creations, and once they've run out, well, then you'll just be making prompts at the regular speed. Let's take a quick look here at Google Chrome while I got you. When I open this up here, you'll notice that I'm logged into labs.openai.com. This is the standard Dall-E image generator. And I'm showing you this because you'll see here when I click on my name, I have 15 credits. And if I want more, I can go buy them. Well, if I go to Bing and I click on their image creator, I don't have to buy anything. It's just click on create and go. So all you need to do this is just write in what you want. I put in elephant with a top hat on, big ears, and let's see what it gave me. This is a very good image. It's a little bit stylized, but cool. If I want to share it on social media or something like that, great, even though it says it can't be shared. This is still a little bit early on. If I want to save it, if I want to download it, one click, I've got it. I guess one of the issues with this version is you can't run variations. So at the moment, it's still a little bit limited, but you get really, really good stuff. And I've run a few different options here. Here's a bulldog with a top hat. So there you go. I'll put a link in the description below. It's unlimited. It's Dall-E 2, possibly Dall-E 3, and it's free to use, and it's awesome. Thanks for watching.